In its brief history, Laurent Ferrier has created a signature aesthetic for which its exquisite timepieces are known: discreet, uncluttered, and timeless. And none encapsulates these qualities more than the brand's most classic designs, the square and classic Micro-Rotor, now offered with a striking yet elegant evergreen dial. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about these watches or any other timepiece from Laurent Ferrier, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Join us as we explore the newest addition to Laurent Ferrier's Square and Classic Micro-Rotor collections and discover how the brand ingeniously adds a fresh twist to these timeless pieces, while staying true to its classicism and pursuit of mechanical perfection. As an authorized retailer of Laurent Ferrier watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large selection of their latest models, including the Square and Classic Micro-Rotor Evergreen. Explore these timepieces at the Les Ambassadeurs Espace Connaisseur Lounge in Zurich, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, at Bahnhofstrasse, in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. After a long stint at Patek Philippe, esteemed horologist Laurent Ferrier went on to establish his own atelier that bears his name. Ferrier's goal was to create luxury timepieces that reflect his own horological values: simplicity, precision, and pure, uncluttered beauty. And what a splash the Plan-les-Ouates Maison made in the industry. In 2010, on its first year, the brand won the Best Men's Watch at the Grand Prix d'Horlogerie de Genève for its very first creation, the classic Tourbillon double hairspring. Since, Laurent Ferrier has steadily built its reputation, not only as a multi-awarded independent watchmaker, but also as one that is sought after by collectors who value hand-assembled devices that carry a classic and discreet aesthetic. As you might deduce from the name, the latest interpretation of the Micro-Rotor features an eye-catching yet sophisticated green dial with a vertical, satin-brushed finish. This deliberate choice of the color is meant not only to deepen its connection with nature, but also evoke such sentiments as growth and renewal, characteristics that align with Laurent Ferrier's brand ethos. The assegai-shaped hours and minute hands are made in 18-karat white gold for the square case and 18-karat red gold in the classic case, which, along with their drop-shaped indices, provide high contrast to the evergreen dial, optimizing legibility. In the 6 o'clock position is a discreet seconds aperture with white baton hands and matte white markers. While there is no difference in the dial, your choice of the case will depend on whether you are leaning towards a look that is more subtle and sophisticated, or bold but elegant. With the classic line, you have a 40mm minimalist case made of 18-karat red gold and inspired by 19th century pocket watches. On the other hand, the square is a 41 by 41mm cushion case made with stainless steel, highlighted by aerodynamic curves that deliver a more assertive presence on your wrist. Its cases come with a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal dome and a ball-shaped winding crown that matches the case material. They are water-resistant at up to 30 meters. The case back features a sapphire crystal that provides you with an unencumbered view of the Micro-Rotor in action. As with all the members of Laurent Ferrier's Micro-Rotor collection, these timepieces are powered by the brand's powerhouse movement, the FBN 229.01 caliber. This self-winding movement beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour and offers a 72-hour power reserve. Designed and assembled in-house, the movement is fitted with a unidirectional Micro-Rotor, affording it a svelte 4.35mm profile. It also features an innovative silicone escapement with a double direct impulse to the balance wheel that maximizes efficiency by allowing the balance to be restarted twice per oscillation. This efficiency ensures a high-amplitude balance wheel and requires less mechanical force to wind the barrel spring, and as such, preserves the winding mechanism. Both models of the Micro-Rotor Evergreen come with the hand-stitched brown calf leather strap with matching Alcantara lining. It is also equipped either with a pin buckle or folding clasp that matches the material of the case of your choice. With its elegant and discreet lines matched with the sophisticated muted green dial, Laurent Ferrier's Square and Classic Micro-Rotor Evergreen watches are foremost dress watches, perfect for those formal occasions. They are, however, versatile enough, notably the square version, to be on your wrist as a daily wear. Prices for these timepieces start at 51,160 Swiss francs. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have the square and classic Micro-Rotor Evergreen from Laurent Ferrier available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What are your thoughts about Laurent Ferrier's vision of elegance and sophistication? Does the Evergreen dial align with the brand's aesthetic ethos of discretion and timelessness? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Laurent Ferrier for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.